How to change app icon appearance on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, on your home screen, tap hold on it and you will see the option for edit on the top left of your screen. Tap on edit and then tap on the customize option you see there. Here, as you can see, you will be able to see various options in order to change your app icon. You can choose default, dark, clear, or tinted. You can simply tap on your preferred option and with this, make the required changes like increasing or decreasing the contrast or changing the color or changing it to dark mode or light mode. And once you are done making the changes, as you can see here, the app colors and icons has been changed. So this was about how you can change your app icon appearance on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.